Hello, welcome to PARQ. Today we speak about our living units. At PARQ we have several different type of units, and the reason for that is because when we first started building, we did only one size, and then we soon realized that our customers started to demand different sizes, and we did our very best to accommodate all of them. The very different living units cater for very different people. Singles, couples, families, and those on a budget, those with a bit of money for luxury. The living units look at very different parts of PARQ, one towards the rice field, towards Agung, or even into PARQ where they can see all the action. Let's go and check out the rooms. This is our Boulevard Unit Villa. It is about 80 square meters in size. It's very suitable for small families, parents with children with 5 years and below. It is very well equipped. It has a living room, it has a functional kitchen. The bedroom is actually located on the mezzanine floor right behind me. We thought when we designed this space, it would be cool to have a bedroom that's on the mezzanine floor that overlooks the rice fields.
For me, when I was looking for a new place to stay, I wanted something that was comfortable, and like when I came to PARQ for the first time, like seeing the restaurant, the space, the gym, the sauna, everything just like being encapsulated into one, I really enjoyed that. Now that I'm here, like it's been 2 months, and I still enjoy having all the amenities just like at my fingertips. I can go to the gym, then hit the sauna, then come home and order oysters and just have a good time.
For me, PARQ is really nice and comfortable place because I'm pregnant now and I become pretty lazy. So since I'm here, I just don't need to go like really nowhere. So I have here like massage. They have massage for pregnant women, so which is nice. So I can order like room service here and also go to the gym or to the yoga place, like any yoga, any type of yoga. So basically, yeah, and if I want to meet my friend, so I just go inside and they're always there working. We can just talk to each other and enjoy. So yeah, basically like I'm living here and I just don't need to go anywhere else.
This is our Agung loft unit. It's around 48 to 50 square meters in size. It is a studio type of unit which has a small kitchen, a small living room, a small dining area. The reason why we call it Agung Lofts, it's because aside from the rice field view, on a very clear day, Mount Agung reveals itself to all of these units, and hence that's why we call it Agung Lofts. It is one of our most popular units in PARQ. This unit is suitable for a single person or a couple who plans to live together in a very nice place.
I like it here. I mean, we have our friends, we have everything revolves around PARQ, around here, right? People come to us. I have a good time here. And I can do what I like. And somehow it just seems to support all this. It's like, it's a very interesting place where different people come here. Everyone has their own ideas, but somehow you end up meeting, collaborating, cooperating, and it's not planned, it just happens. It's not like one of those planned communities where they want it to happen and nothing ever happens. And here is the opposite. We don't plan and then everything happens. So you can make what you want out of that. But
in a flow, right?
yeah, it's kind of like that. What are you going to say, right? This is how it is. So no arguments there. It wasn't planned. We came here because of COVID. It was super quiet everywhere, and we thought, okay, at least here there's a community, there's some people to talk to, hang around with, whatever. I've been living here for a year and a half, so obviously it works. I like my apartment. Don't you like it? I got my biplane up there. I like living in PARQ, sure. Absolutely.
In our wellness center, we have our retreat rooms, which is between 24 to 27 square meters. They share the same space as our yoga halls, sauna, spa, and one of the best gyms in Bali. All the retreat rooms are facing the jungle view, as you will probably see. It's highly suggested for people who are traveling alone and want a lot of peace and quiet. The retreat center also has a shared kitchen, which is usable to everyone who lives here. As for our retreat center, it's very highly recommended to retreat organizers who have well over 70 people, as we can house all of them individually in our retreat rooms. These rooms are also for travelers or guests that are on a budget, because we have both single and double beds. So if you are looking to live in PARQ, but yet on a very conservative budget, we are more than happy to accommodate. And these are our sunset apartments. They are approximately 54 to 64 square meters. Some of the units come with a bathtub, which looks into a city type of view. The sunset apartments are a studio type unit. They come with a kitchenette. They come with a work table, which doubles as a dining table. Aside from this particular unit has a very high ceiling at 4.5 meters, which gives you the feeling of a very, very huge living unit. This unit suits a couple who likes a bit of a luxury, or also it suits a family with small children.
I wanted to move here because here you have everything, like you have restaurants, good restaurants, you have places to do sports, and what I like about my room is the fact that the design is very unique. It's very open. You have beautiful light, natural light, and this is very important for me to have light. And all the people here are very nice. They help you. If you have a problem, you just text them and everyone is answering to you right away. So yes, and what I like about the food is that you have more cuisine from what you can choose. Like if you are vegetarian or vegan, you have things to eat. If you like meat, you have things to eat. If you like sweet, like I do, you have what to eat. And yes, this is the perfect place for a foreigner people to live in, because I love Bali, but I need also people. And here people know to speak English, and this is very important for me. What I like is that you can work outside if it's not very cold, very hot, or it's not too much sun, because it's fresh air, or you can work inside and you have plenty of places to work, and the environment, it's perfect to do your things like I do, because I work remote. I can work from everywhere, so yes, this is a very good place.
Being a resident at PARQ, you have full access to all our various benefits, such as full access to our events, discounts on our different services such as laundry, cleaning services, spa, sauna, gym, everything on PARQ grounds. So what are you waiting for? See you here.